What if I told you that small, simple changes to your daily habits could supercharge your kidney health and help you avoid serious problems down the road? Today, we're diving deep into 5 powerful biohacks that aren't just quick fixes, but lifestyle game changers backed by science. Whether you're worried about kidney issues or just want to boost your overall wellness, these tips will make a huge difference. Let's get started. Biohack 1. Eat more colorful fruits and veggies. Your kidneys are natural filters, working non-stop to clear waste and balance key minerals. But when your diet is acidic and nutrient-poor, they face an uphill battle. One of the easiest and most powerful ways to support them is through food, specifically naturally colorful plant-based foods. Picture this: your plate isn't just a collection of food, it's a vibrant palette of life-saving colors. When you load up on bright berries, leafy greens, and sweet peppers, you're giving your kidneys a secret weapon. These colorful foods aren't just pretty, they help neutralize acid in your body, easing the workload on your kidneys. Imagine trading in salty snacks and heavy meats for these fresh, nutrient-packed meals. What do you get? Lower blood pressure and better kidney function. And this isn't just hopeful thinking. A 5-year study in the American Journal of Medicine found that people with early kidney stress who ate 2 to 4 cups of fruits and vegetables daily showed improved kidney health compared to those who didn't change their diet. So next time you shop, think of your plate as a canvas for kidney healing. Biohack 2. Swap some meat for plant protein. Your kidneys love protein, but they don't love being overworked. High-protein diets, especially those rich in red or processed meats, can push your kidneys into overdrive. Fortunately, switching just a portion of your protein intake to plant-based sources can provide major benefits. Protein is king, but the kingdom your kidneys have to rule depends on the kind you choose. Did you know that plant proteins like beans, lentils, tofu, and nuts can actually give your kidneys a break? Red meat creates more waste for your kidneys to filter, making their job tougher. On the other hand, plant-based proteins come with extra fiber and nutrients, which support your overall health. You don't need to become vegan overnight. Just try swapping a few meat-based meals each week for plant protein. According to a nearly decade-long study of over 117,000 people in the UK Biobank, those who regularly ate plant protein had a 10 to 18% lower risk of chronic kidney disease. Plus, they had better blood pressure and less inflammation. A separate review in Clinical Nutrition also found that diets higher in plant protein were associated with improved kidney filtration and reduced risk of CKD progression. That simple swap could be a game changer for your kidneys. Biohack 3. Eat within an 8 to 10 hour window. Your body, and especially your kidneys, operate on internal clocks. When you eat around the clock, you disrupt those rhythms, leaving your kidneys with less downtime for essential recovery. Time-restricted eating, or eating within an 8 to 10 hour window, is a simple yet powerful way to reset the body's rhythm and reduce stress on your organs. Here's a secret most people overlook. When you eat can be just as important as what you eat, especially for your kidneys. Imagine starting breakfast at 10 a.m. and finishing dinner by 6 p.m. This kind of time-restricted eating creates a daily fasting window where your kidneys can catch their breath. It helps them manage blood sugar and balance acid levels more efficiently. A landmark study published in Cell Metabolism in 2020 showed that following an 8 to 10 hour eating window led to improved kidney function markers, better weight control, and reduced acid stress in both mice and human subjects. This growing body of evidence highlights how simply giving your body this regular break can protect your kidneys and overall metabolic health. Biohack 4. Help your gut bugs with fiber. Your gut and kidneys are deeply connected. When your gut bacteria are healthy, they produce compounds that clean up toxins before they ever reach your kidneys. And the best way to nourish these helpful microbes? Fiber. Lots of it. Now let's talk about your gut, the unsung hero in kidney health. Your gut bacteria produce compounds that help clear toxins from your bloodstream, lightening the load on your kidneys. Feeding your gut bugs with fiber-rich foods like oats, beans, berries, and yogurt encourages them to make short-chain fatty acids. These compounds reduce inflammation and help your kidneys work smoother. A recent review published in Nutrients 2022 highlights that higher dietary fiber intake positively modulates gut microbiota composition and reduces the accumulation of uremic toxins that burden the kidneys. The study emphasizes that a fiber-rich diet leads to lower inflammation and better kidney function markers in patients with chronic kidney disease. So remember, a happy gut means happy kidneys. Biohack 5. Gentle arm cuff pre-training trick. Not all biohacks involve food. Some use your own body's adaptive responses to protect your organs, like a training session for your kidneys. In hospitals, one such technique has been quietly saving kidneys from injury. Now, this same principle can be used in a much gentler way at home. Finally, here's a surprising biohack borrowed straight from hospital protocols. Before procedures that use contrast dye, known to stress kidneys, doctors sometimes use a blood pressure cuff on the arm, inflating and releasing it in cycles. This technique, called remote ischemic conditioning, essentially pre-trains your kidneys to handle stress better. A review in the Annals of Non-Invasive Electrocardiology showed it reduced kidney stress by 57% in high-risk patients, while a randomized trial found kidney injury rates drop from 40% to just 12%. It's a simple trick you can try safely at home. A gentle reminder to your kidneys to gear up and protect themselves. So what have we learned today? Small, intentional choices, from the colors on your plate to the timing of your meals and how you prepare your body for stress, can have a profound impact on your kidney health. Your kidneys work tirelessly every day, filtering, balancing, and protecting you. It's only fair that we give them the support they deserve. By eating colorful fruits and veggies, leaning into plant protein, embracing time-restricted eating, nourishing your gut bugs with fiber, and giving your kidneys a gentle pre-training boost, you're building a shield of resilience around these vital organs. Stay tuned because your journey to thriving kidneys is far from over. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Your kidneys will thank you, and so will your future self.